Hello, my students. This is good news for the students who are in grade 6 to 11 doing English medium mathematics. So we know that uh, some students fails in English medium mathematics and some students cannot score high marks in English medium mathematics. So what is the reason? The basic reason is the students are not having proper subject knowledge, the basic concept of the maths. Right, some students are not having a proper language knowledge, so I cannot say that it is 50 to 50. So if you are willing to become an expert of mathematics, you should have a proper balance of this basic concept of mathematics as well as the English knowledge. So in our class we are monitoring both these aspects. We are planning to enhance the basic knowledge of mathematics. So the major part is understanding the basic concept of mathematics. Nowadays, the students do not argue with the questions, right? They do not argue how this answer is being taken, why the answer is taken in this way, right? They are not questioning why and how, right? In mathematics, the major part is all the time we have to think why this happened, how the answer is taken, why we follow this step likewise. So that is a major issue. To avoid that, we are introducing that argument sessions in the mathematics, right? So I teach step by step how these steps being generated, right? That is what the mathematics. So think always the mathematics is not just a subject, we have to experience it. To enhance your knowledge as well to enhance your marks, so I have a specific schedule. So what is that? It contains the unit revisions, the monthly revisions, the progress revisions, as well as the recall memory test. So what is this recall memory test? You know that when we are learning the lessons individually in a certain times, we can give the answers for the questions, but once the time is elapsed, we cannot recall the past theories. We cannot do the questions that we learned previously correctly. Why the reasons? We are not in touch with all the lessons continuously. So to avoid that, to mitigate that issue, right, we are planning a recall memory test. So you can have this experience throughout our class. So through in our class, we are monitoring the students' progress through our paper revisions, and the students can answer the questions and they can raise any questions during our live sessions. So I allow students to ask any questions regarding the maths or any questions related to the subjects that we are currently learning. So this is a big opportunity to the students to enhance your knowledge and to become an expert of the mathematics. So we are ready with our smart online maths revision class. So I will attach the schedule here too, and you can see the timetable and you can join with our class. So I can guarantee your results and I can assure that you will be able to do any questions once I completed certain topics, right? Imagine when you learn some things, if you cannot do the exercise in the textbook, or if you cannot do the similar questions in the papers, so if you cannot do the past papers in the questions, that means you haven't learned the subject properly. So I assure that all of my students can do any questions once the module is completed. So this is our difference. So I invite openly to all the students in Sri Lanka doing ordinary level mathematics from grade 6 to 11, come and join with our class and see this the difference of teaching and feel the difference of learning. So thank you very much, my students. Have a nice day.